Good day, folks. In this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find the center of a random circle. Now, in this case, the first stage is to draw any two chords on the circle. Now, let's draw this chord, a chord right here, and another chord. Now, notice that the chords should be touching each other. The edges of the chords should touch. Now, let's call this chord AB. Let's call this chord BC. The next stage is to bisect AB and BC. So I'm going to go through the process of bisecting the lines. So just in case you don't know how to bisect a line, this is the procedure to be followed. The first thing is you put your compass, the sharp edge of the compass, on one edge of the line. Then you open the compass to more than half of the radius, or rather more than half of the length of the line. Then you cut an arc above. You also cut an arc below. Then with the same radius, you move on to the second edge of the compass of the line. Cut below, cut above. So you must cut the first arcs. Now you will see that there are two intersections. This is the first intersection. Let's call this X. This is the second intersection. Let's call this Y. The last thing for you to do is to join the intersections. So draw a line through the intersections. So let it be a construction line. So here we go. That's the line. Now I'm going to repeat the procedure for the second line. Now I've bisected the two lines, and you can see that there's an intersection point. So this intersection point, this is the intersection of the two lines, and as such, this is the center of the circle. So you can also verify that whether it's the center of the circle. So put the sharp point of your compass on the edge and then extend it to meet the circumference at one point. So let's extend it to meet the circumference. So now it has made the circumference. You can see that if I redraw it, it will still trace out the part of the circle. So you can confirm that. You can see that it's still tracing out the part of the circle. So that means this is the center. So thanks for watching.